Hi, here I am in the blizzard of 2017. We got about a foot, maybe a little more. It's hard to tell with all the blowing wind. You can see the wind will be coming up and blowing. The dogs are okay. They don't really like to go outside very much, but here we are. I just thought you'd like to see what's going on here. And here comes the wind. Holy crap. Birds are desperately looking for food, and here comes that wind. It's bitter. Actually, it's not that cold. It's around 30, maybe 28 degrees. So I thought you'd like to say hi, and hope everybody is warm and staying safe. Bye.